Coin of no return. Part 3. The final transaction. Kioma was no longer a public hero. She was a fugitive. The Interpol leak exposed her involvement. The world turned on her. But she had something no one else did. The master wallet. The one holding the last $6 million. Soma, meanwhile, was spiraling. After they escaped to Serbia, he became paranoid again, checking shadows, switching phones, sleeping with a knife under his pillow. He thought Kioma was watching him, controlling him. And she was. She had changed. Colder. Smarter. Her eyes didn't blink when he shouted. Her smile didn't move when he threatened. Because deep down, Kioma didn't trust him either. They both knew. Only one of them would leave with the money. The setup. Soma suggested a final move. They meet in Montenegro, where an old hacker contact could create them new digital identities and help them vanish for good. Kioma agreed. She came dressed in all black. No makeup. No words. They sat in a dim apartment overlooking the Adriatic Sea. A laptop sat between them. The plan: transfer the entire $6 million to a brand new cold wallet, split the keys, and destroy the original access codes. Simple. Equal. Safe. Kioma typed the passphrase. Soma hovered beside her. She pressed enter. The wallet opened. Balance: $6,047,912.37. He smiled. We made it. She looked at him. One last thing. Let me go first. I'll walk away. Then you vanish too. No fights. No blood. He agreed. They hugged. She left the room. Soma sat down. Finally alone. He checked the balance again. $0. The screen flashed. Funds moved. Transaction ID. #X0F1 Revenge. His hands started shaking. He turned. Kioma stood in the doorway. Gun in one hand. USB wallet in the other. She smiled. You always thought you were smarter, Soma. But I was never in this for the money. I was in it for freedom. He lunged. One shot. Clean. Quiet. Soma fell. No drama. No final words. The ending. Kioma disappeared. Again. Interpol found no trace. No fingerprints. No passport logs. Only one thing surfaced. An Ethereum address connected to several charity projects in Ghana, Rwanda, and South Africa. Anonymous. Silent. Generous. Some say it's her way of washing blood with purpose. Others say she's planning something even bigger. But deep in the blockchain, one final message was embedded in a smart contract.